Guys, I got bad news. Exit 277 her. Yeah, exit 277 on I-35. It's now this. It's all along this. This is not good. This is what happens. You could thank you guys for just trashing with your piss jugs and all that other shit. But anyway, exit 277, unfortunately, what was once privileged as a place to stay, well, now you pay. Which is why overnight her at exit 283, but it is on the North Beasy side, requiring you to U-turn if you're going South Beasy. Here at 283 at JD's, I don't even know if they's open, I doubt it. But it's got a big ace late. Plenty of parking for any of you desperate not wanting to pay, I don't blame you. But anyway, this is the bake of it.